It is so fantastic. It has a one-touch operation right at the top. It is a 20-second instant heating of your towel. You get your towels in this little compact right here, and in each of these you actually get 20 of them. And they are extremely affordable for you to purchase. And basically, just to hook your machine up, you are going to go ahead and plug it in. Then you are going to go ahead and put your water in the reserve tank, which is right back here. And it's recommended that you use distilled water, so you might want to pick some. I want to thank Live Food for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love this warm towel machine with disposable towels, guys. And then it's convenient and it's multi-purpose. So the one thing that this just helps me do, instead of using a towel that you use every single day on your face, this gives me one every time I clean my makeup off, every time I wash my face in the morning. If my pets need to be cleaned up, this is easy to do. And it's just easy as 1, 2, 3. Now remember, these towels are safe and hygienic. They soft and absorbent sterilization treatment they have gone through, so they are very good. Now remember, what type of water you put in here is going to make a difference. They're comfortable and they're convenient. So let's just see.
Please wait.
You can see it's warming, and when it gets to 55 degrees, now this is a little noisy, so you see, look at that.
Please use.
Now I always wait a little while before I actually pick up the towel to use it, but look at this. This is absolutely a big warm towel for your face. Absolutely strong. It's not something that's, you can't, you know, if you wanted to use this multiple times, you could. That's how strong. You hear that? And it's not tearing. That's how strong this is. So I'm just going to simply tell you guys, this is a wonderful product, especially if you have children at home, you have pets, you like me. I'm a girly that uses makeup on a daily basis. I do stuff in my garden. Here in Arizona, it is hot as hell. So this comes in handy when you come from outside. You've been out there all day doing stuff, and you just want your face to feel nice and relaxed. This is absolutely perfect. So absolutely love this product. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I will put the link below for you guys to check them out. You can also purchase them off of Amazon in a variety of different ways. So don't be acting like you can't afford it, because you can if you want to. This is a great product to enter into your routine, because this is going to make it so much better. Because girl, this is what I used to buy. This is what I used to buy. You have to use like 3 of these to get your makeup off. And I consistently go through those. I can use a bunch of those, or I can use this, take my makeup off, rinse it off, take my makeup off again. Nice and simple. I'm just saying, it is perfect. And when I throw that away, I'm good. I know it's been well used, and it's going to give me the results that I want. So do check out Live Food. They are the perfect addition to your bathroom decor. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. I ordered some stuff. I just redid my living room. I ordered some stuff from Shein, and I ordered some stickers to go with my jacket, because I'm making quite a few of those. Thank you to those who wanted a jacket. I am finishing them up. So these are the new stickers I got. Well-behaved women rarely make history. I'm not perfect, but I'm a limited edition in pink. And then you couldn't handle me even if I came with instructions. So I love those. That would have been perfect on my daughter's jacket. And then of course I love getting their lashes, so I got some more lashes. These I'm just trying out. They're a little bit longer than what I'm used to, and then these I have worn before, but this is kind of a little different. And then I got this little thing. So let's just see what's in here. I got some pillowcases that I put on my pillows here. But let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna open up this real quick so we can see what's in here. Let's see. Oh, this is a dress or something. I'm not gonna show you guys that. But I'm gonna show you this other stuff I got. There's like, just basics. So let's see. Yeah. Sorry, I had the TV on. Oh, so I got some little petals to go on my coat. This is an oversized one. You have to make sure you steam these. This actually look perfect on the jacket that I'm doing currently. But it's a nice little oversized one, which that's super cute. So it needs to sit out for a little while so it can get its shape. What else did I get? I got a few of them. Usually I have this little board that I'm clipping these onto so I can take them out of this little thing, but just showing you guys real quick. This is another one. Now this one does not have a backing onto it. It'd be nice if it did, but it does not. But it's still cute. So I like that one as well. Oh, hot. And then some fingernails I got. I'll show you those. So, oops. So these are toenails. They're kind of cute. I've never worn the toenails, to be honest. So I thought I'd give these a try to see whether or not I could actually wear the toenail ones. So I got these. Let's go through some more. And then look at these. Those are super cute. And then these plain burgundy ones. And then let's see, I think these are toenails as well. Little blue ones. I think I got all these in mediums. And then look at these. Those are cute. Now these are just painted on pictures, but I just thought they were really cute. So just some of the ones I picked up. And then these are toes as well. So I'm trying those. I still got some that I did not get. So I'm still waiting for some of these to come in. But then I got this set. Isn't that cute? Now these are a little bit more sturdy than the ones that come in those other packs because you don't get as many of these. So these are like $4 or $5, but look how pretty that is. So got that, and then let's see how many more did I get. I thought it was more than that. Anyway, I think I have more than that. They all have not come. But then I got these little things. I have purchased some shoes that I got from Dillard, and they are the ones with the little toe thing. And girl, that little toe thing be hurting my feet. So I got these, which actually go on those little toe shoes. They slide, the little toe thing slides right there, and then this goes in to give you a little bit more comfort to your toe. So I'm gonna try these out and I'll let you guys know if it gives me comfort or if it does not. Okay, that might be a little bit better. Then I got some more stickers. I got these stickers right here. These are actually for like the highways, which I kind of like. I just thought they were really cute to go on some of my jackets. So this is just basically, yeah, see, like that. And then that I got, but they're still stickers. So for me, they're cute. And then let's go. Let's see, what else did I get? Here's some more nails. Now these, they look okay, but yeah. So, and then these are all just a lot of different stickers. Just gonna, I'm not gonna share all of these with you guys, just one or two. So I thought these were cute because again, they are pink and girly. So see, like that, little shoes, little stuff like that. So yeah, cute. So yeah, so I got a whole bag of those. And then what else did I get? Oh, I wanted some cufflinks to go with a shirt, so I did order some cufflinks. I'm not going to show you the clothes I got. And then this is another feather. I'm using some white ones. Again, these have to sit out, because if they don't sit out, girl. So this is oh my god, this is really feathery. So this one really needs to be like steamed, but really, really cute. Yeah, you have to take them out and then let them simmer. What else did I get? We'll go through the clothes later on, not right now. And then here's something else that I got. Never apologize for your black skin. So this is just a sticker, and I use these on my jackets as well. These are some additional nails that I got, so those are cute. And then look at these. These are super cute. Now, super long, special occasion, but yes, super nice. And then these are just some black ones. And then again, some cufflinks that I picked up. And then these are some additional stickers. So this is like, not crazy about that one, but it says save water, drink tequila. So this is just kind of cute. Tequila, lime, and sunshine. So these are for my drinking girlies. I make them a jacket or a tie or something to that order. I will use these on their jackets. You know, depends on, once you tell me a little bit about you, then I'm able to make something that I think is geared towards your personality if I don't know you. Okay, so I got that. And then the next thing I got is I wanted some sparkle sheets. So I got these transfers for this. So these are transfers as well, kind of like sparkles, not sparkles, crystals. So I'm going to see how this works out when I go to put those on to something. But that is all I got, guys. I will show you how all of this pans out, of course, once I put everything together. So look at that, isn't that cute? Yeah, it definitely needs to be steamed, but once you steam it and have it out, it's just like that. It'll look super cute on a jacket. So yeah, I'm gonna leave those out because I'm actually going to. That's it. All right, guys, I gotta go take care of some business. But and then I got some other stickers too. I didn't get to show you guys those, but I will definitely get around to showing you those stickers. But yeah, that's it. That's all we got. That's all she wrote. That's all she wrote. See you later.